Joining a gym in English uses a set of words you'll hear again and again. Today we make them easy. Sarah, I finally decided to join a gym.
That's great, William. Do you know what to say at the front desk?
Not really. That's why we are doing this episode. In this lesson, William signs up for a gym membership and takes his first class. Listen for the key phrases. Let's start at the reception desk.
Perfect. I'll be the staff member.
Hi, I'd like to sign up for a membership.
Welcome. Are you interested in a monthly or annual plan?
What's the difference in price?
The monthly plan is $40 and the annual plan saves you 20%.
I'll go with the monthly plan for now.
Great choice. Would you like a tour of the facilities?
Yes, please. Do you have a locker room?
We do. The locker room and showers are down the hall on the left.
And is there a fee for the classes?
Classes are included in your membership. Just book them in the app.
Let's break down the key vocabulary. To sign up means to join or register. A membership is your paid access to the gym. A monthly plan is paid every month, and an annual plan is paid once a year. The locker room is where you change and store your things. And to book a class means to reserve your spot in advance. I'd like to try a class. What do you recommend for a beginner?
Our spin class is popular, but if you're just starting, try the beginner strength class.
Sounds good. How long is the session?
It's 45 minutes, and the instructor will guide you through every exercise.
Do I need to bring anything?
Just a towel and a water bottle. We provide the equipment.
Where do I sign up for the class?
You can book it in the app, or I can add you right now.
Please add me. And where's the changing room again?
Straight ahead. Enjoy your first workout, William.
Let's practice. Repeat after William. First, I'd like to sign up for a membership. I'd like to sign up for a membership. Now, is there a fee for the classes? Is there a fee for the classes? Try. What do you recommend for a beginner? What do you recommend for a beginner? And finally, do I need to bring anything? Do I need to bring anything?
Great job. Use these phrases and you'll feel confident at any gym.
Today we learn how to join a gym and book a class in English. The key phrases were sign up, membership, and book a class.
Remember to ask about fees and what to bring. Those 2 questions save a lot of confusion.
If this lesson helped you, please subscribe for daily English practice.
Hit the like button and tell us in the comments, what's your favorite way to exercise?
Thanks for learning English with us. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next lesson.